Hello everyone and welcome to the Monday night edition of Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I'll be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and in this video we will cover 2 penny stocks and 2 short squeeze plays for Tuesday. But first, if you want our free alerts, click the link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. Sign up with your email. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get all of our alerts, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, it'd be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. And in the welcome email, you will get a free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. This ebook talks about a lot of the strategies that I cover in my videos. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free services from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. No Discord rooms, no Telegram chat rooms whatsoever. And speaking of alerts, guys, we had a special OTC alert for our subscribers this morning. Had big volume. We really like this one for this week. If you want to get that penny stock, click that link in the description and get our full report that we put out this morning. But moving on, overall stocks finish mixed today. We saw some late day profit taking from the Friday's price action. The jobs report came in better than expected. And it's giving, I think everyone was just so bearish and skewed to expecting the market to go down that we got the short covering on Friday, and we saw some of that continue into this morning's action. Then we got the profit taking late day. The focus tomorrow will be Fed Chairman Jay Powell. He is speaking at 9 a.m., so that will basically set the tone for Tuesday's price action in the SPY and QQQ. Tesla should have held. I told everyone on Friday that was the one trade I did. I bought at 102.25, had a nice rally. I sold it. I should have stayed in, but there was just so much uncertainty about what was going on in China. We saw Tesla was reducing prices for their for Model 3, Model Ys in China. The market was interpreting that as bearish, that there was a sign of slowing demand. However, news came out over the weekend that by cutting prices, it sparked an increase in demand, and there was backlog orders coming in. So that was indeed bullish, and we were getting that news today. But overall, I think we're going to see a price war in China over their EV space. You got BYD, you got Great Wall Motors, NIO, XPEV. There's just a lot of competition in China, so it shall be. I think it's going to be a tough year for the EV space. Tomorrow we get earnings from Bed Bath & Beyond. No position here, a lot of speculation. We're getting some reports. The Redditors are saying that there's a possible, Bed Bath & Beyond could be a possible buyout candidate. That's basically just people looking to bail them out of their bags. But I am rooting for retail. They got rug pulled bad by Ryan Cohen. We saw this. You had the filings last August that he was buying out of the money calls. It sent the stock to 30. The next day we got the report that he sold. I said that was indeed bearish. There was no catalyst, and we've just been on a downtrend ever since. But we do have 43% of the float is short, over 37 million shares. So if the earnings call, they hint that bankruptcy is not imminent, that they do have some capital relief plans lined up, that could indeed spark a rally in Bed Bath & Beyond. I am pulling for retail in Bed Bath & Beyond, but again, no position. Too risky for me. It could go either way, and to give you guys a little, trading psychology, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm looking for, I don't want to say sure things, but things that I feel highly confident in when I make a trade. I always ask myself, why am I in this trade? What is the fundamental reason that I'm buying this stock? I know a lot of people just focus on, charts, technical analysis. That's not me. Yes, I look at, when the technicals and fundamentals are lined up and you have agreement, that's when you get your best trades. But again, you have to have a reason. Why do I own this stock? Why am I selling? Focus on your reason, and it'll allow you to, not only sleep better, but become a more consistent and profitable trader. Speaking of profits, KEGS, I talked about this one right before the new year started, and look at this. It has just been a stair-stepping climbing up. What an absolute beast. You just see this big pickup in volume, and it's just been green every day this year. Congrats to all in KEGS. If you are still in, guys, it still has a low market cap of just $4.6 million, but, a lot of money's already been made. Always use trailing stops, always take some money off the table or book your profits. Ignore diamond hands, paper hands, BS. You just don't want to be there when the dump happens. So again, eventually, we've seen it in every single play, that we get these big runners. There is eventually a dump. So don't get dumped on. That's all I can say. Next up is CNTX. There was just a lot of social media chatter on this one today. Guys, before the bell, I was watching it. And, I talk about this in the ebook, you get this is the 5-minute chart here. So, I talk about the opening range a lot. So this was the open today at 9:30. It opened at 118, spiked to 129, and then just absolutely shit the bed, absolutely collapsed. 5-minute is the lowest I will do. I don't do 1-minute charts. I really prefer the 15-minute chart when looking at the opening range. It's basically you get, there's a lot of, pre-market and after hours, you can really move the market on not a lot of volume. There's a lot of low liquidity. So I don't like to trade pre-market or after hours. I want to let the market open, let it shake out, get me, it gives me a clear picture of where the market wants to go, and then I can make a trading decision based on that. And CNTX, look, it just shit the bed. Everyone that was pumping it on social media prior to the bell, they just, everyone got dumped on. Again, if you are following this opening range, I'm trying to help you guys as much as possible. Again, not a financial advisor, but, the key is not only knowing which trades to take, but which trades to stay out of. That is so important. It will save you a lot of headaches and make you a more profitable trader. Moving on here, we have 2 penny stocks that we are watching for tomorrow and 2 short squeeze plays. First up is VYNE. We had news after the bell. Let's see, VYNE. Company announced that the first vitiligo patient has been dosed in a phase 1A/B clinical trial of VYN201. This is a locally administered small molecule PET inhibitor that is being developed for the treatment of immunoinflammatory diseases. The clinical trial is a first-in-human study designed to generate safety and data in healthy volunteers, as well as provide early clinical proof of concept data. So we're already in a trial here. This is indeed positive news. Stock closed at 19 cents and has 77 cents in cash and no debt. I said last week that 2 sectors I really like right now are biotechs and China stocks, and I'm going to continue to following this trend. PBLA, reverse split coming, just a $3.5 million market cap. Rack 'em Up had this on Twitter. PBLA plans to reverse split, which was previously approved already to regain compliance with minimum bid price rule. Reverse split names have been hot, 100%. I wouldn't be surprised seeing this squeeze before the split. We concur. And it's they'd be looking at a 1-for-40 reverse split. So again, PBLA on watch for tomorrow. Next up are two short squeeze plays. First up is NUWE, short squeeze play number one. 22% of the float is short. The stock looks absolutely cheap. Earnings were out before the bell. For the fourth quarter, they reported revenues of 2.3 million and 8.5 million for the full year. You look here at the chart, has just a $4.66 million market cap. Very, very cheap, no debt, trading at, has $24 in cash, trading at just $9.32. Again, extremely cheap here. We really like this one. 22% of the float is short. This is a recent reverse split. Expecting the shorts to start getting squeezed in NUWE. Lastly, another short squeeze plays for you guys is FRO, Frontline. Stock, they announced they're terminating a $4 billion merger agreement with rival oil tanker owner Euronave. The company's FRO's Frontline said it will no longer pursue a combination with URN and will not make a voluntary conditional exchange offer for all outstanding Euronav shares. Provided no reason for sculling the deal, but we see it as the pressure from the major shareholder, Saveri's Group. The company was raising its stake in Frontline to around 25% of the company. It's been opposed to the deal since it was first announced last July. 17% of the float is short in FRO. This has been an overhang on the stock. A lot of the major shareholders didn't like this one, and we really think this one can really squeeze. So FRO is a short squeeze place for tomorrow. It's another one extremely cheap, trading at 9.6 times current earnings and 4.5 times next year's or this year's earnings. So again, extremely cheap play here. FRO, another short squeeze play for tomorrow. But guys, we're always putting out alerts if we see something interesting for our subscribers. We're looking for the best ideas. Click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com so that you do not miss any of our alerts. We've been hot. We started this year off on a strong note, so we're here delivering bangers for our subscribers. But lastly, guys, Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation by sell or hold securities. This video is our opinion, meant for informational education purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. Want to wish everyone good luck tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Smash that like button and also hit the notification bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Good luck, guys. Bye-bye.